Hi Aries, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of November is going to be for you, and I'm going to cover all areas of your life. So first of all, it looks like this month, from the struggles of the last few months, you're going to get over from them. You're going to claim your power, you're going to claim your authority, and then with that authority and power, you're going to move ahead. You're going to take charge of your life. You're going to leave the difficulties behind. You're going towards happy home. You're going towards justice. So a lot of movement and things working in your favor this month. Now this is the second reading that I'm doing for the monthly readings, and in the second reading continuously I see the card of judgment. So it looks like there are going to be some big announcements worldwide that are going to impact each one of us. So that's something that I kind of see. Now when I see that, it also, your cards are also saying that this month there is an end of juggling. So if there is a lot of thoughts on your mind, a lot of things that you've been juggling with, things were not working out, this is the month that will put an end towards that juggling and then move towards action. Now if we talk about your health, I kind of don't see any issue with health. Rather, I see health improving, and the only thing is you need to take charge of your life. You need to let go of the past. You need to let go of the negativity. You need to let go of the negative thoughts. And if you do that and take charge of your life, move forward. So I don't see any health issues whatsoever. Not mental, not emotional, nothing. Rather, I see health improvement happening. So if there has been a condition in the past where you've been delaying any kind of treatment that you needed to get, or any kind of diet plan that you wanted to get into, this month get into your power, start that. It is going to work out wonderfully well for you. If we talk about wealth or money, though I don't see many pentacle cards, and there's 2 of pentacles which kind of shows juggling, but I will tell you that this month still, because there's chariot, because there's judgment, because there's 10 of cups, because there's sun, I would say, because there's justice, I would say not really that you won't have the money. You will have the money. The money will flow into your life, but just ensure that you're not making investments without thinking. Rather, this month, if you want to make any investment, invest in something on which you have complete control, or decide what you want to invest, where you want to do that investment, but don't do it this month. Do it by the end of the month, or do it in the coming month, but don't do that this month. So investments, just know that only where you have full control is where you invest, otherwise you don't. If there is a legal matter that is there, it looks like it is going to be decided in your favor. If we talk about love and relationship, looks like something positive is going to happen. If there is a marriage that you've been waiting for, the announcement of marriage will happen, and you'll get into a marriage, because there is a card of happy home that I kind of see in the end. If you've been thinking to propose somebody, that's going to happen. There is a person who is very strong, strong personality, somebody who knows how to move forward, how to help others to move forward. Could be somebody who's very practical in his or her life, and if it's a male person, then should be somebody who has some feminine energy about him. Otherwise a female, that person is going to be very, very helpful for you this month, and even if you didn't feel like that, that person is probably going to help you with your promotion, with your growth, or with the growth into your personal life, so relationships. And then relationship wise, I see like a good month. Even if you're trying for pregnancy, it seems like a good month, because there is happy home, so there's nothing to be worried about. If we talk about your job and career, finally it is going to pick up. So if there was anything where you didn't have a job, it was not working out, you were thinking continuously, you were struggling with it, this is the month taking charge of your life. So probably you've decided where you want to move, probably you know what you need to leave behind and what action you need to take, and the decision or the announcement has also happened, and this is the month where you take charge of the situation and know that whatever happened, whatever the delays were, it were because you were meant to learn something. This juggling is going to end. So job wise, if you don't have a job, you'll have a job. If you waiting for a promotion or a growth, you will have that growth. But like I said, the money flow might not be exactly how you wanted it to be, but know that what you deserve, you'll always get. Third, for business wise, if it was not working out, there was a struggle that was happening, this is the month where things will start working out. You'll get in the control of things. You'll start moving the things. For your soul growth, this is the month where you need to take charge of your life. You need to ground yourself, and also you need to be passionate about things. So move passionately forward, because if we see the card of justice, it basically means that whatever you were supposed to do, you're on that path, you're on your soul path, and that is why you'll move towards growth, and that is why you'll move towards cup of 10 of cups, where there's happy home. And that is why this month, soul growth wise, it is important to passionately move forward, do the right things, take the right decisions, and ground yourself every day. For the chakra of the month, it is going to be throat chakra, and like I said, I see announcements, I see taking charge of your life, and there has been things that you've not expressed in the past. You've been indulging yourself with the things that you were walking away from. This is the month where you address all of this. This is a month where you show that, okay, I am in power, I am in control, this is what I want, this is how I want it. And for that, you need to have control over your voice. Your voice should be effective, the way you communicate should be effective, and that is where throat chakra will help you. So mantra of throat chakra is hum. Ensure that you chant that every day this month. It is going to be really helpful for you. For the mental exercise of the month, this is conditioning this card of devil, but very different illustration. So it basically says that you don't have to become a sheep because you want to fit in. If you're a lion, you are a lion. If you're a lioness, you are a lioness. And that is why this month your affirmation is going to be, I allow myself to come into my power, into my true self. I accept my true self as I am, and I know that everything that I needed to achieve, that I'm supposed to achieve in my life, I am on it and I'm achieving it. So that's your affirmation this month. Please practice this affirmation. It's going to help you. What is that one thing you need to take care of for the whole month? There is sun and there is ace of cups, and that is why two very beautiful cards. They're saying that always focus towards light. Have your emotions, I wouldn't say under your control, but balanced. Have your emotions balanced. Have your communications balanced. Know where you're moving, and you'll be actually like a sun shining all the month. So that is what you're doing this month. When we talk about what will happen if you follow the advices and how you need to balance out this month, what are the angels saying? The first card is Two of Ariel, which is Two of Pentacles, and it says it's important to have a balance. Working multiple jobs or projects at once, making work fun. And that is why I see that there is a balance that you're pulling in this month. There's a control that you're taking over this month, and that is why it is important to make your work feel like fun, so that you are able to move ahead with this. Like for example, this, so you don't have to struggle with it, or you don't have to feel negative about it. And if you make it fun, you'll be able to actually move ahead very fast. And then there is Two of Pentacles here also, which is saying that don't think that you're juggling a lot. Don't focus on juggling. Focus on that things are moving the way they are meant to move, and that is why you need to move with them. Justice. It says fight for justice and equality, ruling made in your favor, don't give up. So basically this is saying that justice will happen. If there is a legal case or problem, it will be decided in your favor, but you don't have to give up. And that's what the card is saying, that you have to claim your power, you have to be in authority, you have to move forward, and when you do that, justice will happen. A happy home is there, which is there in the ending. The third card that I see is, it says this is Nine of Wands, Nine of Gabriel. So it says stay determined and move forward. Be prepared for any possibility. Environmental activism. So basically this is saying that the environment, the cosmos is working in your favor. Keep moving forward and things will start happening, or you'll see things happening. So you don't have to push yourself, or you don't have to think that why am I doing this. And 9 to 10, so there is a happy home in the end. The color of the month for you is going to be any shade of blue is going to be good for you. Sky blue, blue, white. And number of the month is going to be number 2. If you like the video, please share the video with everyone that you can. Press the like button. It makes videos searchable. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you want to get a personalized tarot reading, you can contact me through the Facebook link that's in the description box, or you can just send a message or put a message in comments that I want my personalized tarot reading. I will share my number and we'll take it forward from there. This month, know that you need to be in control of situations. You need to multitask, but don't take that as a task. Take that as fun, and everything is going to work out in your favor. And I will see you next month. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.